Putting the transmission together is a rather straightforward process, but it does require a little bit of planning to do it right the first time. You want to make sure that everything is clean. What I've done is I've taken the moto seal and put it all around the edges where they're supposed to be on one side and the other side. They also want me to use anti-seize. Excuse me. Or this is molybdenum lube, and I use that in the holes where these reside right here. The first thing we have to do, and we got the seal in. Now, the one thing about this seal is this seal can go deeper in here. Let me see if I can get this light. It can go another, I don't know, 2-3 millimeters. You don't want to do that. You want to have the seal flush. See if I can do this. You want to have the seal flush with the edge of the brace right here. Okay. You put a little bit of oil on it, and the first thing we do, and if you've ever rebuilt one of these, a lot of times, first people that do it will screw it up because it has to go in one way, and the way it has to go is we have 3 washers here. We've got 2 stainless steel thrust washers and a fiber washer. Here's the one that's shot. And like I said, the fiber washers go, or the washers go here, here, and here, so that the solid steel parts don't rip up the aluminum case. They're just buffers. So the first thing we want to do is take the gear that we have right here. This, I believe, is a primary gear. I don't know, primary, secondary, I don't know. And what I've done is I've taken my coffee cup as my transmission mounting platform. Sounds like NASA, doesn't it? And that's so I can hold that up. And what we do is we take it and we nice and easily put it in, and it'll slide right in there. And a little bit of push there you go. Alright, let's see if I've done that right. No, you see, I've even actually screwed it up. First thing we have to do, and no harm done or anything, we take the new fiber thrust washer and we put it right here, right there, and this is where the old one went. You see, and the old one's all chewed up, but I've never seen anything like that before. I think the problem with this washer is that I think it was formed that way, and that could result in lower speed because you got more drag. Alright, next thing we do is we take I probably should use all the correct names here. This, we have the final gear drive, which is right there. We have the counter shaft, which is right here. It only goes in one way. We have the drive shaft, and we have the counter gear. Now the counter gear is the next thing we're going to put in, but you got to pay real attention to that because it can go in 2 ways. I'll show you. This is the counter shaft right here, and if you look, or counter gear, you can see that on one side it has markings right here. The other side is flush. Okay, the markings will be the ones that you see. So we take the gear and we nice and easily put it on top, just like that. Okay, and it's not really in the mix right there, but that's all right. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay, next thing we put in is I believe the countershaft gear. It only goes in one way, and that will be this small part right here will go inside the gear. So we line that up with the whole fiber washer, 9 yards, and we slowly push it in like that. Okay, so we're in right there. In like Flynn, as they would say. Now we take the primary gear, and what we want to do is we're going to put this in here and line it up with this shaft, which is it's really straightforward, easy to do. It'll drop right in there, just like, you know, just like that. Okay? And you can see, let's see if I can get a better grip on it. I got oil and crap all over my hands, and I've got an $800 camera I'm trying to not destroy and then make a commentary at the same time. Alright, we've already put on one fiber washer here. So we've got this other side protected by the fiber washer. Now we're going to put the whole thing together.